Teal gang, it's Zane, and welcome back to some more Zane's Teal Kitchen. Wahoo! So today's video is all about quarantine and chill. Since the pandemic, a lot of us have been in stay-at-home orders, so we have been able to do some of our favorite things, like go to the movies. But when you have lemon, you gotta make lemonade. So bring the movie to your house. So this is all about how to make a movie night with your family at home. So of course this will all be food allergy friendly. So today I'm going to be showing you how we do movie night at my house. Okay, before we start, hit that like button if you enjoy what you're seeing so far, and let's get into this. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what I have in front of me. So I have two kinds of popcorn. So the first popcorn I have is Skinny Pop. This is my favorite. It's Tape allergy free, and this is what I usually bring if I go to the movies. Here's my second one. My mom loved this one. It's also Tape allergy free. It's Boom Chicka Pop, and so this one is a sweet and salty kettle corn, so it's pretty good. So these are the popcorns that I have in these two containers. Okay, so moving on. So the best part of movie snacks is candy. So I got my hands on Yum Earth's new candy. So next are Yum Earth's Giggles, and these are the sour ones. I guess it's kind of like sour Skittles, but they're organic, so that's good. So the next one I have are the Rolling Stones. So these are them, and these are chocolate candy. And if you like chocolate, this is a good alternative from Yum Earth. So next we have more Giggles, and these are also organic from Yum Earth, and they remind me of the red pack of Skittles, but of course, like I said, they're organic and they're Tape allergy free. And last are these organic sour twist. Kind of reminding me of like Twizzlers, but it's a different flavor, a yummy flavor. So these are my candies for tonight. You can't go to movies and not eat a hot dog, right? So for my hot dogs, I use Char brand hot dogs, and they're dairy free and egg free, but they do have soy in them. But I'm not allergic to soy, so these are the rolls I'm going to be using. So here's my hot dog. I have ketchup, mustard, and relish. Yum! Last and definitely not least, nachos. For my nachos, I used Diet cheese, and this is their cutting board edition. So their cheese melts pretty easily. To top it all off, I just add some salsa on top, because I like salsa with my tortilla chips. So I do have a disclaimer about Diet cheese. They recently changed their ingredients that now includes the pea protein. So if you avoid eating peas, then just be aware. Alright guys, that's it for this video. So I really hope you like this. So I hope this is a cool idea if you're social distancing and staying at home for fun movie nights. And as you can see, you can have all the yummy traditional yummy things. I think I said yummy twice, but that's okay. Well, that's it for this video guys. Please subscribe and like, and also tell your friends. And that's it for the video. See you later, Teal gang. Peace.